good news about Jesus has come to Mark chapter 5 from verse 1 to verse 20. Jesus healed one man with whole heap of demon. Jesus and him follower them reached the next side of Lake Galilee in the country where the Gerasenes people them live. Same time Jesus come out of the boat, one man where did have one demon come from the burying ground and come up to him. The man did live at the burying ground and nobody couldn't tie him up no more, not even with chain. Cause enough time people tie up him hand and him foot them with chain and iron trap. But him always bust off the chain them and broke up the iron trap them. Nobody never trying enough to control him. Night and day, him did there in the graveyard and up in the mountain, a ball out and a cut up himself with stone. When the man spot Jesus from far, him run go drop down on him knee in front of him. Then he bawl out on top of him voice and say, "Left me no Jesus, the most high God boy pick me. Me I beg you, for God's sake, no make me suffer." Him say that because Jesus did tell him say, "Come out of the man here, you demon you." So Jesus asked him say, "What your name?" And him answer back, "Me name Wally, cause enough are we there." Then he beg and beg Jesus enough to send them out of the area. On the hillside, he did have one whole heap of agony. So the demon then beg him say, "Send we go in at the ag them. Make we go in at them." Jesus make them go on. So the demon them come out of the man and go straight in at the ag them. Then the whole of the ag them, about 2,000 of them, take off down the steep hillside and drown in at the lake. When that happen, the man them will look after the ag them, run go spread the news in at the town and the place them where they near the town. So the people them come out to see what happen. And when them reach where Jesus there, them see the man where did have in demon. Him did a sit down there, have on clothes, in him right mind. And the people them catch them afraid. The one them where did see what happened to the man where did have in the demon, tell everybody what did happen. And them talk about the ag them too. Then the people them beg Jesus to left them area. When Jesus did go in the boat, the man where did have in the demon did have beg to go with him. But Jesus never make him go with it. Instead of that, him said to him, say, "Go to your yard, go to your own people them, and tell them all where the Lord do for you. Tell them how him good and kind to you." So the man left and start spread the news all over the 10 city them, where they call the Decapolis. Him tell them all where Jesus do for him. And everybody did shock when them hear. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.